Hi, it's Marie Stick here, and to you people that live in Jerseyville, here was their old siren. This thunderbolt right here was located by the municipal building where that whelen 2910 is right now. But I filmed that siren with I filmed this location with the whelen 2910 many times. But the siren archive only has the municipal building, so I don't know, because they got quite a few sirens. The one by the grain elevator, I don't know if that was a Thunderbolt or a Model 5, Model 2, 3T22, 2T22, but let me know in the comments below what it was. But here is their old Thunderbolt. You can see it, it's on the JMO Karma Siren app. Here's a closer view of it. I'm on their page right now. See if you can see. Let me zoom out, because sometimes, what the heck? Oh, it's my battery. Shoot. But yeah. Jerseyville. Here's a close-up of it. You can see. There it is, the old Thunderbolt. They removed it and replaced it. But the one by the other one, I don't know if this was the Thunderbolt. These Thunderbolts make different tones. I don't know if it was a 1000, 1000T, 1000TA. It's not a 1003 because 1003s have solenoids. But if you guys know what siren was there before the whelen 29010 by the grain elevator, just let me know in the comments below. But here's a closer view of their old Thunderbolt. Peace.